Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my secrets, how I prep my ginger and garlic paste to make my cooking easy and faster. I've been making this for a very long time, so I decided to share this recipe with you guys. I know most of you might know this already, but at least there are some people that don't know it. So I decided to share it, guys. There's love in sharing. Yeah, we're going to be using some fresh ginger, garlic, olive oil, and some salt. So I've washed my ginger. It's very clean. Then I'm going to remove the peel of the ginger and garlic. So guys, this is another secret. I don't like using knife to remove the peel of the ginger. I prefer using the spoon. Just use it to scrape it. Okay. This way you are not wasting your ginger. You know, ginger is very expensive. Yeah, I live, ginger is very expensive. So, and this one is organic one. If you see the way, as you can see, it's very fresh. It looks so fresh and it has a lot of flesh. You know, there are some ginger, they are very tiny and very strong too. But this one is very, I don't know how to say it, like very soft, very fresh, as you can see. So it's organic and it's very expensive. So I prefer using spoon to remove the skin. So this is our ginger and garlic. I've washed and diced it, so it will be very easy for me to blend. You know, we are not going to add any water. Guys, make sure you are not adding water. You don't need to add any water to blend this garlic and ginger, okay? That's why I'll be adding the olive oil, at least it will help it. So my big blender, it got spoiled, guys. So I'll be using my smoothie blender. You see, that is why it's very good to have like 2 blenders. In fact, if you can have 3, it's very good. If you know you are someone that always use blender, it's very good to have at least 1 or 2, 2 or 3. So my big blender got spoiled and I'll be using my smoothie blender before we have money to buy another one. It's not easy, guys. Things are very expensive these days. If you also have food processor, you can also use it. Right now I'm adding some olive oil, a little bit. You can use your vegetable oil, but I prefer using olive oil. I don't know, I love olive oil so much. Any of my recipe, I'm always using olive oil, olive oil. Then I add some salt and start blending. Because I'm using a small blender, I'll blend this twice. I'll blend the first set, this is the second set. Guys, if you have not been doing this, try doing it. It's very good. You know, when you go to some big supermarkets, they always have ginger and garlic paste. Let me say the total amount I spend in buying the ginger, garlic. I have the olive oil at home already. I have the salt at home already. Let me say I spent like $5 in buying the ginger and garlic. But if you go to those big supermarket to buy this ginger and garlic paste, this ginger and garlic paste that I just made now by myself, I think I will spend more than $30 to $40. Because a bottle like this, you get it for like $10 to $15. Hope you see. At least it will save you some money. Things are very expensive, guys. So we have to help ourselves, okay? And this is it, guys. It's very simple to make. Even if you are not adding water to your ginger and garlic, it will still come out nice, okay? Hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, guys. It's free. You are not paying any money to subscribe. Just try to watch my video before you subscribe, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Sure to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, like I said, these are the bottles I got from it. Can you see? I got a lot, guys, just for $5. If I buy this, I know how much I'll spend.